The white dial and gold needle are quite beautiful. And this large second hand for the stopwatch and the 30-minute chronograph subdial. This second hand, this needle, is quenched and tempered with blue light. It's a decoration. Really looks quite beautiful. The new model is transparent. You can see the movement from the back. The overall workmanship details. The pointer. Arabic numerals. There are no burrs or edges. The hands are also slightly curved down. This is called a willow-shaped pointer at the end of the minute hand. A slight bend downwards. And the timing big second hand. There is a slight bend. Other small factories do not do this. It is straight. Is also a way to distinguish the ZF factory. The small V-shaped mechanical second hand and the minute hand and the crown. The middle part of the crown is higher and lower on both sides. You can tell by comparing them. This is also a way to distinguish the ZF factory. The overall wire drawing and polishing process is very delicate. As for the function, this long big second hand. This is the timing big second hand, which doesn't move under normal circumstances. When we look at the time, the second hand here, the small disc at 12 o'clock, which is always running. This is the second hand we usually use to check time. The small disc at 12 o'clock is a 30-minute timer. The 2 o'clock position. This key starts and pauses the timing function. The key at 4 o'clock resets the timer. Press it to start the timing. It starts to run, and it counts for 60 seconds. It runs once, which is 60 seconds. Then the small disc at 12 o'clock. The 30-minute timing dial. One jump represents 1 minute of timing. This is how the function is used. This is the pause and reset. Is there a relationship? Normally, when we wear a watch, we don't need to turn on this function, because if you turn on both timers, the normal timekeeping function plus this timing function, it will wear out more. If you turn on both GS, the power consumption will be faster. If you turn on two timing functions simultaneously, the power consumption will be faster. For example, if you wear it for a day, it may stop working. The overall workmanship and details is very good. The movement is modified from a 7750 to a genuine 69305 movement. Look, it's great. The functions are the same as the original operation method, and they are all real and usable. Both front and back. The front and back are sapphire glass mirrors. The dial has a blue film coating, which is very textured. It reflects blue light under the refraction of light. The back case, and all the details of the engravings, are all done. The words on the inside of the strap are engraved very deeply. The buckle is the latest style. This is a double-fold buckle. If it's the old style, it's a single-fold buckle. This is a double-fold buckle. The details of the foreign logo on the inside. There is no film on it. I just talked about how to distinguish the ZF factory. Just look at this. The end of the minute hand is slightly curved down. The middle of the machine body is slightly curved. And this dial, it has a grainy dial. It's a white dial with a grainy texture. The crown, the middle adjustment knob is higher and lower on both sides. As for the function operation, is the same as the original. I have demonstrated it just now. In fact, look at the middle of this dial. Just push it up directly. It's manual winding. It makes a straight pulling sound. Pull it out 1 gear. Pull it out 1 gear. Pull it out 1 gear. Because it is modified from the 7750 Elite. So there is an empty gear in the middle. Pull it all the way. Pull it all the way to adjust the time. And the reset function. Just push the handle back directly. The top button can't start and pause. The reset below, pause, are all functional. It's quite beautiful. This is my personal opinion. Among all the Portuguese watches, when I time for Portuguese, the most beautiful dial design. With a gold needle and a white dial, and a pumpkin second hand. The large and small second hands are embellishments. It's really beautiful. And this new transparent back. Let's measure its size again. To measure its size, first, measure the diameter. The diameter of this new model is 41. 41, which is standard. And the thickness is 0.5 thicker than the original one. The original one is 13 mm. This is a modified version of the 7750, so the thickness is 0.5 thicker than the original. I can ignore it. If you don't use the caliper, you can't tell the difference at all. There is a film on the back. It's only about 0.4 after removing the film. For the top tier watches, whether it's Gucci or Puja, just look for this JM Factory. Have I talked about the conformation method? It's very beautiful. Let's take a look at the hand effect. The hand feel is really beautiful. It's more suitable for business people to wear. It's a very casual dress watch. It's very beautiful. Finally, let's look at its timekeeping data. It's perfect. The daily error is about 5 seconds. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for your support.